So I get a text last week from my dear friend Ellen Allard of Ellen Allard Music and Gluten Free Diva. And it says, Sheldon, can you tell me about your background? I know we talked about it, how you used your DSLR manual setting to blur the background. This is a Facebook Live, so if you're not using a Zoom virtual background, how does it look so darn good? Well, first, thank you, Ellen, my friend, for that question and the compliment. To answer your question, you're right. I did use my DSLR to get that effect, but this is a fake. In today's hack, I'm going to show you how you can get the same results with nothing more than a smartphone, if that's what you got. What we're going to do is take a photo of your background without you in it, then blur it and use it as virtual background or using your green screen. The first thing you want to do is take a photo of whatever background you want without you in it. To make this look real, do your best to use the same lighting and the same camera location as you plan to use when you're in front of the camera later. Next, we'll take that photo and blur it. Now you can use any app or website that has a blur feature. Here I'll show you how to do it in Canva, which you can do on the computer or the free app. So after you upload your photo and resize it to the resolution of your video, I use 1920 by 1080, click on Adjust and then move the blur slider to the right. You may have to try a few different blur settings until you get one that looks natural. Then just download it from Canva and upload it as a virtual background in Zoom. Or use your green screen and you're done. It's as simple as that. So yes, pretty quick tip today. If you've got a question you'd like me to answer, leave me a comment on YouTube or Facebook, or send me a private message on Facebook or Instagram. While you're there, please don't forget to give me a like or subscribe so I can keep these hacks coming your way. Have a boss week and see you next time. Take one. And it says, Sheldon, can you get same result? Do your best to use the same lighting. Do your best. I thought I was going to do this with no bloopers this time. But this is a fake.